comedy competition, we decided to give ourselves a bit of an edge. We brought bats to the fight. And by bats we mean a format that's going to be performed entirely in the dark. So, for this format, we're going to grab a suggestion. Clearing throughout, you may hear random objects that will fuel part of our improv set. And again, this is all done in the dark, so very shortly we're going to invite you all to close your eyes, sit back, relax, and enjoy what we're going to do. To inspire us, all we need from you is, from someone in here, what is your New Year's resolution? Not just, losing weight, because we got that last time. What's another New Year's resolution? To travel. That is an excellent one. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to use travel to inspire our Bats format. Sit back and enjoy the sound of darkness.
The next station is Nanaimo.
Look, it is season of the flu, okay? So my little kids are sick, okay? There's nothing I can do about it, and this is what's going to happen, okay? Chance, whatever.
Okay, that's fine. Ma'am, that's totally fine. I just need to make sure that you have the correct fare. I just scanned your complete.
Obviously I have the correct fare. It's just in my purse to have all my kids out. Like, we're giving up with this stuff anyway, they got this all in their pocket. Speech, somebody speech.
All right. I'll do it. Okay. Now, when I first met these two lovely people, you got this too, Mo. Thank you, Jim. Jim, I'm so happy that you and Susan are in love and finally bonding together.
Stop it.
People said the long distance thing wouldn't work, but you showed them.
We did. We wrote so many letters and so many video chats, and oh my god.
I put up a slideshow with some of those videos.
Oh no. Timbo, where did you get those videos? No, Timbo. Oh my god!
Here's the first one, roll it.
I thought it was on Snapchat. It would disappear.
God damn it, my parents are in the audience.
Excuse me, what is that?
They're my boobs.
Oh my.
Yeah, and that's just the first clip. All right, here's the roll the second one.
Oh gosh, is that one supposed to be in it?
Well, I never.
Well, to be fair, it was a very attractive lamp.
This next one's my favorite.
Oh my god.
It even has sounds.
That's your old friend Jessica. What is she doing in that?
Yeah, what is she doing in that?
Well, Jessica, why don't you tell them for yourself?
Well, I'm not Jessica. Where's Jessica? Jessica, speak up.
It's me. I was just making myself a nice cup of tea and pouring it on myself with my bikini on.
Yes, you really Jessica. What the?
To be fair, the gap fits a lot.
Love is about airing your dirty laundry before you seal the bond. Because once you seal the bond, you don't want to find out something that you don't know. Roll the next clip.
That's good. Well, that's not bad.
Oh, it's really nice. Oh, strong character of pops in London. Yeah. Look on the right here, you can all see crown jewels of Queen Elizabeth I. As everybody knows, she died in her sleep. She shot herself. Moving along quite nice. Yeah, this is the River Thames.
Aaron, we read about this in the Little Inside book.
Oh, wow.
Oh my gosh, let's get a photo. Let's get a photo.
Yeah, if you like, you can take out your little selfie sticks, yeah?
Oh, nice.
Or if you like, I can take it for you. Oh, look, you two little lovebirds, you need together.
Wait, is that Noel Gallagher?
No, Gallagher?
I'm sorry, I don't know who that
I'm not
is.
familiar. I'm too young.
That's fine. No, that's probably not him then.
I know Peter Gallagher from the OC.
Oh, I think that's Ricky Gervais.
Oh, yes, he's one of our treasures, isn't he?
Oh, yeah, it's me. Hi.
Oh my gosh.
How y'all doing?
I love to do all the extras.
Oh, thank you.
He's really humble.
Yeah.
Why is it that you guys have such different accents?
It's regional thing. Yeah, I'm from like the northern part, like it's Liverpool. And Ricky Gervais is from Sussex.
Sussex, yeah, that's right.
Sussex, yeah. So
That's where the Office, the British original one was filmed.
he always refers it to as the Office, the British, the original.
That's so silly. That's so silly.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know he's the real crowning jewel.
Oh, thank you.
Gosh.
Oh, easy there, Nelly. I named him that because he's got the band-aid on his face.
But it looks like it's just us three sisters.
It's very nice, very nice.
Always ends in just the three sisters. Gertrude, Bernice,
Sharon.
and Sharon, me. That's me.
The big H. The SH.
Big S.H.
I never knew how to spell your name.
Nobody did. Mom and Dad had trouble too. Hence my birth certificate. Look at it. It's ridiculous.
It's funny that you carry that on you at all times.
I must carry my birth certificate around. I'm not a monster. You never know when you're going to need your birth certificate. What if I need proof of citizenship or proof of my name?
Is it to prove that you're alive inside? Because you look dead to me.
Oh, don't you, Gertrude?
Sisters, look.
What?
We all started on this adventure to get away from mother and family and all of this painful fighting. And I'm starting to get hungry, and we need to figure out what we're going to be doing for the night and what we're going to be eating, okay?
Well, I say we kill the fattest one.
Okay. Yeah, you know what? You would say that, alright?
Look, okay.
I'm sorry that your husband left you for somebody else.
I'm sorry too.
Ladies.
Okay, here we go with the waterworks.
Hey, David, do you see those three sisters over there?
Yeah.
See the one crying?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I think I got a shot.
Sisters, do you see those creeps over in the corner? Why are they staring with such creepy eyes?
I don't know, but I would literally hit any of them.
She's looking at you.
She looks hungry.
You should go over there and say something.
Well, I'm gonna go over there. Do you think?
I think so. You know what? If you need the extra push, here it is.
Here, eat this handful of spits, it'll tide you through.
Hello?
Sir, you look an awful lot like the husband who left me. But then again, maybe I just see his face everywhere I look. The tree looks awfully sexy because it reminds me of my ex. Help me.
I'm still here. I'm sorry to hear that you were recently divorced.
Me too. Yes, divorce.
Look,
Sorry, what's your name?
my name is Steven.
Steven.
My ex-husband's name was, his brother's name was Stephen. He taught us Stephen. He was a teacher, you know, a school teacher. Taught kids.
All right,
Bunch of Stephens, very common name.
Give me 1 second, I'm just going to go back over and talk with my friend.
10 minutes.
Don't go.
David, it's not going well. It looks like it's going too well.
You're really hitting it off. I know.
I'm reminding her of so many things.
Your friend.
Nostalgia.
Sorry, I followed you into the bushes where your friend is. Hello.
Oh!
I see that you have blonde hair. My ex-husband had yellow. His favorite color was yellow.
Oh, jeez.
He had a sweater, a cable knit that he used to wear every Christmas. Oh, geez, how this time is so hard for me because of that yellow cable knit sweater. Your blonde hair is making me very hungry. Like sex hungry.
Yes. Hurry up and I'm spent, so now that I have a little bit more of a fuller stomach. Where are you boys going? Is there anywhere that's nearby that we could maybe grab some shelter and maybe some more food than just these spits?
Well, we live in that cave over there by the tracks.
Stephen loved caves. He had a man cave, and I think that's what prompted him to leave me.
It was the younger woman. It had nothing to do with it.
Whom he brought into his man cave, should I
You guys,
reiterate?
I'm confused. What year is it?
Good question.
The year? You want to know the year?
Yes.
Why, we all still ride the rails, so it must be
1974.
1974. Look at my birth certificate. You know.
Good thing we're all staying alive.
Yeah, so this is our cave. It's not a bad cave. It's like medium sized.
Devin, open the door. Devin, open the glass door. Oh my God. What took you so long? This is huge. I'm sorry, man. I didn't get my magazine, okay? Look, listen to me. Okay, while you were too busy reading your stupid girly porno magazine, I went in and was throwing eggs around the neighborhood like I usually do. Yeah. And I accidentally actually broke one of the windows with one of the eggs. And instead of it splattering, it like went through the window splattered, and it hit someone. And all I heard was a scream. And I don't know if I killed someone. I'm too young to go to jail. I gotta stay here. I gotta go rogue.
You're going rogue, no, dude. You can't do that, though. You can't go rogue.
Hey, why are you pumpkin down? You got me right in the eye and I blew the head.
Oh my God, that's him.
What the heck? You can't just go around throwing freaking eggs at people's freaking eyes and windows. That's not how life works.
Oh my God, it's the cops.
I have your best friend. I'm gonna go rogue with you, okay? Just run out of this freaking neighborhood.
That's right.
Hey, boys!
Oh no! Oh shit, it's your dad!
Boys, open up. This is Constable.
Oh, even worse!
And Constable.
Oh man!
Shut up, dude. Oh yeah, just act normal. He's
Hello.
Fury.
Hello.
Welcome to my humble abode. For Officer or Constable Jambalaya and Constable
Started with an F. Look, we don't have time for this, boys. There's been someone in the neighborhood that is throwing eggs, isn't that right, Constable Jambalaya? Constable Jambalaya!
Me?
Yeah, you.
Yeah, some whippersnapper's been throwing eggs!
It certainly could have been us, officer. We've been looking at these naked women for whom we're very attracted.
Yeah. Okay, boys.
Hey, Jambalaya. Yeah. What are you doing here? Good cop, bad cop. What are you...
Yeah.
Am I the bad or are you the good? Because I thought we set up that I was good and you were bad.
Right. Let's keep things the way they were planned.
Okay, I'm the good cop.
And I'll be bad cop.
Yeah.
Alright, I got you.
So, boys,
Yeah.
I know your mom, so I'm gonna take it easy on you, right?
We didn't do anything, officer. I got on by it. I'm gonna hear this whole freaking night.
Oh yeah, you didn't do anything!
Ah! Look right in my ear!
It smells like garlic and chili powder.
That's why I have breakfast.
Just garlic and chili powder?
Yep.
Damn it, he's tough. Filled with
officers, yes, this was the kid that threw the egg right through the window. As you can see, the yolk is still near my cornea.
So sorry, Susan Palmer. I'm so sorry.
5 minutes.
I want justice.
I know, we all do.
I will give you justice.
No, don't punch me.
Whack!
Ow, I'm a kid.
And take this.
Ow.
Yeah, okay. Let's talk about it. You don't like the backup routine?
No, I love the bad cup. Can't protection physical, buddy.
You rough him up a little bit.
No, when did you learn that?
And police training.
No, there was none of that.
Constables?
Small children?
Constables?
Yes,
Constables and Susan? That punch really showed me how to be a man and me being...
Karate chop!
Ow! No, I apologize!
Speech! Another speech, please. No speeches.
All right.
No, I think we're
I'll let it.
Oh, Jesus Christ, here we go again.
What? You don't like my speeches?
Anybody else?
I'm on Zoom.
Oh, dude, you're
Okay. It's your favorite sister.
You're my only sister.
Okay. First of all, I love you. You handsome. So good looking.
Okay, get your hands off of this, parents. I don't like
Is that a bottle of peppermint schnapps?
Okay. So I wasn't gonna talk, but because everyone else, I thought.
She smells like a rotten candy cane.
I'm thank you. You don't even know how I got that. No.
Sweet, pull up your dress. You can see your city boots.
Okay.
Maybe we should just move on to the dance, huh?
Look, remember that one time back in fall of August?
Yeah.
It was that time where you picked me up because I couldn't get around home, right?
Yeah, I wanted to take care. Yeah.
I had all of my kids with me. We just caught the Sky Train, right?
Yeah.
And was there a strawberry cake? I didn't see that.
Yeah, it's really good.
I didn't see that.
Darling, do you have something to tell me? What happened on that ride home? She has many kids. She's desirable.
No, he didn't do anything.
What's that? Nothing.
No. He took us through the Dairy Queen, and I know you don't like Dairy Queen because you are lactose intolerant. But it's our favorite, and that's what we do. And that's what
Is that a keg of peppermint schnapps?
Babe,
Get your hands off.
babe, please.
No,
I'm sorry.
no.
It's just.
As if that wedding video slideshow, whatever that was, wasn't enough. This is betrayal at its finest.
Please.
And I am ripping off my rings and my gown, and I am out of here. I'm going rogue, buddy. Fuck you guys.
So this is our nice little indie racetrack that we have here in
1 minute.
Birmingham. And a lot of people don't realise that the UK is big fanatics of the motor cars.
Lewis Hamilton.
sorry, I don't know that one.
Yeah, Lewis Hamilton, actor who won the musical Hamilton is based
Oh
on.
my